Hello everyone, in this video I am going to cover what this residential course is all about. This Krislingua Residential course is a newly launched course, and we have come along with an idea to provide the students with not only training of A1, A2 and B1 level in German language, but also with good accommodation where the students can get like hygienic food and clean rooms and all other things. So Krislingua Residential Program includes like your all 4 modules: reading, writing, listening and speaking of A1 and B1 level, A1 to B1 level. All 3 levels will be included in this. 20 to 25 German lessons per week will be conducted, and the duration of one lesson is 45 minutes. Extra sessions will also be conducted in order to complete your homework and all those things. And these training classes will be conducted at Krislingua residency itself. However, we are also going to provide you an opportunity to participate in our training programs at Krislingua German Language Institute as well, which is nearby the Krislingua residency. Exam preparation will be covered in this, and learning material will be provided by Krislingua. Krislingua's certification of participation will also be provided to you guys. Breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner, these all things will be included in this. And multimedia library will be there, free Wi-Fi, free counseling on your studies in German universities, free counseling on your Ausbildung program. Like if you are willing to do an Ausbildung in Germany, then counseling will be free of cost. If you want to do FSA, or if you want to get a direct job as a nurse or in other occupations as well, then also we will provide you assistance for that. And very important thing, very special benefit of this course is like the students are going to get an opportunity if they want to pursue their masters or bachelors in Germany, then applications will be done by Krislingua free of cost. So this is one highlight of this course. And free applications in German public or private universities, as I said. Other things, what can you do after completion of this course in Germany? Like in Germany, you can start your Ausbildung in more than 125 occupations, and you can study bachelor or masters. In order to complete the minimum eligibility criteria, one needs to do at least B1 or B2 level in Germany, in India. So that thing will be covered. You can get jobs in IT or healthcare or in finance sector. You can also work as a registered nurse or doctors. So those who are studying there in Germany, they need to get do part-time jobs as well. So it's always easier to get a suitable part-time job when you know German, when you can communicate in German language. So these things will be possible after the completion of this course. In India, after the completion of B1, you can work as a translator, interpreter, you can work as a tourist guide, become a teacher, you can find jobs in MNCs, and there are many opportunities for B1 language, B1 level certified people to work from home as well. Many companies, many new companies, many call centers, BPOs, KPOs are giving us an opportunity to do the job from our homes. So these are the opportunities which can be possible. Here again, you can see what are all the benefits when you do this particular course. About Krislingua Residency, Krislingua Residence located in the heart of Greater Noida, and Greater Noida is I can say most well-planned city in Delhi NCR. So it's very new city, it's a very beautiful city, clean city. So you will enjoy living here. Hygienic food, peaceful environment, high-speed internet, RO water, multimedia library, extra in-house classes, rooms with AC and geyser, top security, counseling desk, 2 and 3 bed sharing neat and clean rooms. So one counseling desk will also be there in order to help you guys Like if you have any questions related to your German language training, or related to Germany, or related to your career in Germany, so there will be a desk and where you can get your answers quickly. What is special when you do this residential course, when you participate in this course? Special is, like when you do generally a course online or offline, you hardly get an environment where you can speak with others, right? Apart from the institution, apart from the class, outside of the class, it's very difficult to find people who can communicate with you in German language. So in this particular residential course, there will be 25 candidates and trainers will be provided like 24/7, and all the activities are going to happen in German language. For example, if you want to order your food, you have to order it in German. And one guided tour will also be conducted weekly. Like your trainers will take you to some museum or some tourist attraction, or some other places, like for example in the market, and they will guide you about everything in German language. So these type of cultural activities also will definitely give you an opportunity to learn the language quickly. And obviously the exam is in, like this course is also exam centric, so we'll plan each and everything in a way that the students, most of them, get success in their respective exams, in B1 exams. So this is all about Krislingua Residential course. So I hope it will suit your availability, and maybe if not you, maybe your friends would like to participate in this kind of a course. So this is unique, and you don't have to worry about anything. So isn't it a good idea to participate in Krislingua Residential course? If you find it good, you can also refer your friends. Thank you very much.